out of Donner Lake with friends. We got something on the line here. It looks pretty good. We got the fishing game with us today. And you guys are the boys, right?
That's it. That's it.
Nice little family trip.
Absolutely.
Good friends. Been a while since you've been out, Tim.
It has. Too long.
Yeah. Look at the bend on that rod. That's what we want to. I'm not the action. That's the action over there. You want to get over here and trade me spots?
Yeah.
See the action. This is usually where we have to turn around in circles. They like to stay right down.
I don't know if the drag got a little tight, but I'm coming in now.
Well, it's because he's bending the rod. That's fine. Just like that.
Yeah.
You can't reel. That's because
No.
it's a heavy fish.
No, I mean, I would be able to reel. There we go. It was caught up.
Oh, yeah. Sometimes it'll hang up a little bit on that tiny knot that I tie.
Uh-huh.
And the line's that tight. By far the best knot to tie is that Alberto knot. It's kind of like a nail knot.
What are you at, Matthew?
Still at 80.
Gee whiz.
He's pulling pretty good.
Show this on the
I'm not
video.
trying to force him.
Show the fish finder on the video. This is the fish right here.
Are you kidding me?
Nope, that's him.
That red line right there,
Yep.
that's solid.
That's it. So show the fish there. The rod and all the actions. That's what people like to watch.
Yeah, he's still just running, so I'm gonna let him go.
Yeah, you can reel it down and slowly lift.
Sure.
I don't like to tell anybody to do that, but we need to get him up. We can't. If we don't get him in the boat pretty soon, he'll build up a lot of lactic acid. So we want to kind of coax him out of that stubborn phase here. Turn his head. They got
He's still
Alexa 300s on here. Daiwa Alexa 300s. You can't find a smoother drag for these big Mackinaw. We caught a smaller one. We lost one yesterday. We had some pretty good luck. Got about a 12, 13 pounder. And a few more.
He's still running, so.
Is he taking line, Matthew?
Oh yeah, big time. Back to
He's going back to the bottom.
He's back to 90 now.
Damn.
I just don't want to horse him, so.
Yeah.
Just pump him when you can, and that's all you can do.
I mean, he's probably hooked. There's no doubt about that. I would
No,
think,
he's not
right?
hooked. He just
No?
got his mouth on it.
But it's not
He's
through.
sucking on that krill procure.
There you go. Yeah.
It's amazing how cool it is to watch him on the fish finder. It really is.
So that whole line going across the screen. That
Because they have the ping speed set so high, that's the fish.
be darn.
Yeah, he's almost back to 100 now.
He's right on the bottom. You're gonna have to try to pull him off the bottom.
What do you got at 100? How? Oh, you're right, 97.
Now keep it tight. Just keep reeling. When he starts head shaking, just keep reeling. See the bubbles coming up? He's burping bubbles. That means he's coming up.
Is that what that means on the bubbles? That's
They
cool.
have a big air bladder, yeah.
Yeah, I knew that.
Every 33 feet is a different atmosphere in the water, so in order for them to come up unbloated, they have to burp that air. When we get them in the boat, you're going to be surprised how much. When we first see them, almost every time there's a big fish,
Yeah.
you see all the bubbles coming. Sometimes there's a couple of kokanee that he spits out.
Uh-huh.
On the
No
way.
kidding.
Sometimes when they're spitting the bubbles out, the fish come out.
If you had to guess right now, what are you gonna say?
It's over 15, I'd say.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you don't want to keep that guy if it's over 10?
You're looking, 15-year-old fish here at Donner's, 13 to 14 years old.
Uh-huh.
That's
Let
a
him-
lot of mercury.
Really?
I wouldn't eat it.
Let him spawn again?
Yeah, and those are the successful spawners with big boys like that.
Oh man. Holy shit.
You got him?
Oh my god.
See, he might be a little bit lighter.
Oh man.
See it? See the bubbles?
Damn.
Oh my
See those bubbles?
god.
Damn.
Holy mackerels. Nice fish.
Dude,
Oh my gosh.
that's insane.
Hey, hand me that scale. Set the rod down. Not that one. Up where you got this at by the flag.